Hi, welcome to AXA Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. ABC is a triangle with vertices A with coordinates 4 and 8, B with coordinates 7 and 3, and C with coordinates 3 and 1. Find the equation of the median AD. A. X plus y equals 7. B. X plus y equals 10. C. 3x plus y equals 10. D. 2x plus y equals 16. E. 6x plus y equals 32. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. The boring method. The first step is to get the coordinates of point D of the median AD. Since AD is the median, point D is the midpoint of BC. So D equals 7 plus 3 over 2 and 3 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 5 and 2. Now, using the coordinates of point A and D in the two-point form of equation of a straight line, we get y minus 8 equals 8 minus 2 over 4 minus 5 times x minus 4, which is y minus 8 equals negative 6 times x minus 4, which is 6x plus y equals 32, which is the equation of the median AD. And the correct answer is letter E. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 60 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option E. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Okay, ChatGPT is showing its analysis. Alright, and ChatGPT's answer is letter E. 6x plus y equals 32, which is correct. Now let's try this in Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option E. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem and if it can give us the answer faster than ChatGPT did. Alright, Gemini's answer is ready. And as you can see, Gemini's answer is letter E. 6x plus y equals 32, which is correct. AI is definitely a great help. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Since the median includes point A, the coordinates of point A should satisfy the equation of the median. Hence, just check which amongst the equations is satisfied by the coordinates of point A, 4, and 8. As can be seen that only options D and E are satisfied by the coordinates of point A, thus we can eliminate options A, B, and C. Since we are left with two options, we need to do further elimination. This can be done by substituting the coordinates of point D. Coordinates of point D can be found mentally as it is the average value of the corresponding coordinates of point B and C, D being the midpoint of B and C. Now, checking between the options D and E, which one is getting satisfied with the coordinates of point D, which is 5 and 2, we got the answer option E, because 6x plus y, if we substitute x and y values, becomes 6 times 5 plus 2 equals 32, which makes the equation true. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 30 seconds. It's longer than our 10-second target, but it's definitely shorter than the standard method. Drop in a comment if you have an even better and faster way to solve the problem. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.